Since I like to collect random tools that I don't really have a serious use for, but still might come in handy someday, I recently picked up this Tac Life brand heat gun. And it's just got one temperature, and it's designed for things like, craft projects, stuff like that. It's got a little stand here. But the killer app for me for this is that it's got this little heat deflector on here that you can put on here. And the nice thing about it is that it redirects the heat around whatever you put in there evenly, so that makes this great for shrink tubing on electronics. But I thought, this gets up to 600 degrees, so I wonder if you could maybe make French fries with this. So we're going to try it. I have a crinkle-cut fry here. Yes, Cooper's helping out. I have a crinkle-cut fry here, and as everyone knows, these are the best because they've got a good surface area ratio to their mass, which makes them fry up crispier. So we're going to give this a shot. Yes, and you can taste it too. Sorry, we had a brief pause there while I got Cooper's small cat out of the immediate danger zone. He's still lurking around here, so. All right, first let's turn this thing on. And like I said, theoretically, this will get up to 600 degrees. Oh, it's already taking the chill off the room. I can feel it blowing here. Checking it with my heat gun. Yeah, so it's definitely warming up. Let me see if my thermopen can tell us how warm this is really getting. Okay, so the thermopen is saying that it's already up to 350 degree air coming out of there right now. Let's see if you can see that. So I think it's time to place our fry in position. Ooh, that's kind of hot there. Let me get some tongs here. And of course, it's a rule that you gotta cook them a couple of times. Stick that guy in there. I can already hear it starting to sizzle a little bit. And I'm trying to do this so I don't bake my camera with the heat coming off of this. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, already, right along in this area here, it's starting to brown. So I think we're probably going to need to move this a little bit here. Oh yeah, that's browning faster than I would have expected on the side here. Let me do this here. I'm going to turn this off just for a second. And I'm going to take this. Yeah, you can already see that it's starting to brown there. Let me see if I can impale it on this skewer. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's going to help out. Sit on there for a second. I will probably speed this up in post so as to not make you sit through this entire thing. Okay. Now, of course, the problem here is that it wants to char instead of cooking evenly. But it's definitely hot. It's crispy. Let's give this a try. It actually worked. So, there you have it. If you want to cook one French fry at a time, a heat gun will absolutely do the trick. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll try and put out something more interesting and less nonsensical in the future. Thanks again.